Hey everyone, Arshad here. So you want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to be on camera? Honestly, in 2025 you don't really have to be. AI has completely changed the game, making it easier than ever to run a successful channel without ever showing your face. In this video I'm going to break down exactly how to automate your very own faceless YouTube channel from scratch using completely free AI tools. We're talking script writing, voiceovers, video editing, the whole 9 yards. Stick around, it's about to get interesting. Alright, so before we jump into the tech, we need to talk strategy. The first thing you need is a killer niche. This is crucial because a focused niche helps you attract a dedicated audience. You want something with a good amount of interest, but not overly saturated. Some of the hottest faceless niches right now, AI and tech are huge obviously, and a perfect fit for this kind of automation. But don't sleep on motivational content, celebrity news and gossip, true crime, and anything luxury or lifestyle. The key is to pick a topic you're genuinely interested in, because that passion will come through in your content. Remember, consistency is key on YouTube, so you don't want to burn out after a few videos. Do your research, look at what's already out there, and find your own unique angle. This is how you're going to stand out in a sea of content. Okay, so you've got your niche locked in, now it's time to start creating content. But hold on, before you start stressing about writing scripts, let me introduce you to your new secret weapon, ChatGPT. This AI tool is about to become your best friend, trust me. ChatGPT can generate incredibly engaging and informative scripts in minutes. All you have to do is give it a clear prompt. Here's an example. Type in write a YouTube script about your niche topic in a storytelling style 5 minutes long. Hit enter and boom, ChatGPT will generate a structured script tailored to your exact needs. It's seriously that easy. Of course, you're going to want to go in and tweak things, add your own personal touch, maybe some humor or specific examples, but having that solid foundation already laid out for you, that's invaluable. Now here's where things get really interesting. We're talking about creating professional-sounding voiceovers without ever needing a microphone. AI has advanced so much that you can now generate incredibly realistic voiceovers using just your script. Tools like 11 Labs and Murph.ai are absolute game changers in this space. These platforms are loaded with a library of AI voices, both male and female, with different accents and tones. Once you've chosen your voice, simply paste your script into the software, choose your settings, and the AI takes care of the rest. It's like magic. You get a high-quality voiceover file that sounds like it was recorded in a professional studio. These new-gen AI voices are insanely realistic, with natural-sounding inflections and nuances. Your viewers will never know the difference. This is a game-changer for faceless channels, because it allows you to add that human touch without actually having to be the voice behind the content. Okay, so we've got the script, we've got the voiceover, now it's time to bring it all together and create our video. And surprise, surprise, AI has got you covered here too. Platforms like Pictory.ai and InVideo are absolute lifesavers when it comes to automating video creation. Here's how it works. You upload your script and your voiceover to the platform, and then let the AI do its thing. The AI will automatically match visuals to your script, find relevant stock footage, and even add in transitions and text overlays. It's like having a personal video editor working for you 24/7. You can literally create a professional-looking video in minutes, even if you've never edited a video in your life. The AI takes care of all the heavy lifting, saving you hours of time and effort. It's all about working smarter, not harder, right? We're almost at the finish line, but before you hit publish, let's talk about maximizing your video's reach. And that starts with an eye-catching thumbnail. Canva has some great AI-powered thumbnail templates, or you can check out thumbnail.ai, which is specifically designed for creating YouTube thumbnails that pop. The key is to keep it clean, visually appealing, and relevant to your content. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and make sure your title is easy to read. Once your thumbnail is ready, it's time to upload and optimize. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ can help you automate this process. You can schedule your videos to go live at optimal times, research the best keywords to use in your title and description, and track your analytics all in one place. These tools are incredibly valuable for maximizing your visibility and reach. So there you have it, guys. A complete system for automating your very own faceless YouTube channel using the power of AI. No more excuses about not having the time, skills, or equipment. With these tools, anyone can create a successful YouTube channel in 2025. Remember, the key is to focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Find your niche, automate the technical stuff, and let your creativity shine through. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI and YouTube automation, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, tricks, and insights. Until next time, keep creating.